right. Hi.
Rain dance.
No, not gonna happen. Ah! It's cold and wet.
Is the door closed or open?
Pardon?
What are you doing?
Videotaping! Yeah!
I got 2 more days of school left.
One more. I got Friday, and then Monday we go to the city.
I'm dizzy. Let's go.
Good thing he's full of water. Oh yeah. Your hair's all frizzy. I know. Isn't it pretty? Shove it through the window.
I have an idea. Let's put on some music.
No, but it's not gonna authorize it on YouTube or whatever.
I've done it before. Oh yeah, so we're gonna put on something awesome. Oh yeah. Alright.
I think the video paused.
No, it didn't.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Black dress with the tights underneath. I got
The breath of a last cigarette on my teeth.
She's an actress, but she ain't got no need. She's got money from her parents and a trust fund back east. Tongues always pressed to your cheeks, while my tongue is on the inside of some other girl's teeth. To tell your boyfriend if he says he's got beef that I'm a vegetarian and I ain't fucking scared of him. She wants to touch me, she wants to love me, she'll never leave me. Don't trust her, never trust her. Won't trust her, won't trust me. She wants to touch me,
Oh my god.
she wants to love me, she'll never leave me. Don't trust her, never trust her. Won't trust her, won't trust me.
Second cartwheel.
On the back of your hands,
Hold on.
wash them in the bathroom.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Probably gonna hurt your hair.
I dare.
Ow! Jesus Christ!
See, I'm not gonna do that.
Indents in my hands. You can't see it, but it hurts. Oh.
That's noticeable now. No, I paused it.
Well, we are done for now.
Yeah.